Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the best tools and techniques to supercharge your productivity. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Power Platform. We're uncovering 10 real-world use cases that showcase its power to transform industries. Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of tools, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agents that empower users to build apps, automate workflows, and visualize data. Let's explore the first use case, healthcare, where automating patient intake reduced wait times by 40%. In retail, they are using Power Automate to track stock levels and automatically reorder inventory. Banks leverage Power BI to generate compliance dashboards, saving hours of manual data crunching in finance. HR teams built workflows with Power Automate to streamline the onboarding process in human resources. Power Apps is used in manufacturing to track machinery performance and send maintenance alerts. Schools are visualizing student performance using Power BI to improve education outcomes. Governments are building AI-driven chatbots with Power Virtual Agents for faster citizen query resolutions. Marketing teams use Power Automate to schedule and analyze campaign performance automatically. Logistics companies optimize delivery routes with apps, cutting fuel costs by 25%. IT departments are creating apps to track and resolve help desk tickets more efficiently. These use cases prove Power Platform isn't just a tool, it's a game changer across industries. Power Platform enables anyone, from IT pros to non-technical users, to build powerful solutions. It seamlessly connects with Microsoft 365, Azure, and hundreds of third-party apps. Tools like AI Builder and Power Automate take productivity to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which use case resonated most with you? Do you have your own Power Platform success story? Let me know.